Good morning, respected dignitaries. Good morning, respected dignitaries, esteemed faculty members, and distinguished guests. I, Ms. Maitri Mahesh Gowde, student of Computer Science at Patkar-Varde College, am privileged to welcome you all on this influential seminar on cyberbullying organized by Department of Information Technology and Computer Science at Patkar-Varde College. In today's digital era, the internet is an essential part of our lives, offering endless opportunity for communication, learning, and growth. However, alongside this benefit, we also face the challenges of online harassment and cyberbullying, which can have a serious impact on our emotional as well as mental well being. As we continue to engage in the online world, it is crucial for us to be aware of risk and understand how to address them responsibly. To help us understand this issue better, we are privileged to have with us today Mr. Sai Satish Sir, a remarkable individual whose work has positively impacted thousands across the country. Sai Satish Sir is the founder and CEO of Indian Servers, a leading company in the field of cybersecurity solutions. He is also the administrator of Andhra Hackers, one of the India's top forums dedicated to hacking awareness. As a CyberCorps trainer, best-selling author, and TEDx speaker, Sir has built an impressive reputation for himself. From his beginnings at Microsoft student partner to a corporate .NET trainer, Sir has continually demonstrated his dedication to advancing the field of cybersecurity and making technology accessible and secure for everyone. And we are privileged to have him today with us. Now, I would like to request Sir to begin the session and share his valuable insights with us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Hope I'm audible and my screen is also visible. Please acknowledge. Hope I'm audible. Please acknowledge.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, hi all. Myself Sai Satish, CEO of Indian Servers, and today we are going to discuss about one of the important concepts what a lot of people are facing, that is cyberbullying. So first thing, there are some Indian laws are there which are against true such type of bullying, whether it's offline or online. I'm going to list out a few Indian laws, IPC, which they are against to such type of bullying, either online or offline. If anyone is creating such type of issue to you, please don't forget to report, and police will take care of most of the things. Okay. Anyways, we'll discuss about the both laws related and psychology related and technical. Three type of things we are going to discuss: how to handle technically, how to handle uh, with psychologically, as well as with Indian Penal Code. Also, we'll discuss. First thing, I'm going to list few important sections. Please make a note of the first section. For example, if someone is creating a fake account on your name and they are sending some abusive message to someone, if they're doing identity theft, that means someone has created a fake account with your name, then you can, according to section 66, C, this is IT Act, section 66C, you can file a case on them. Up to 3 years, they are going to get free food, free bed. Okay, whoever does such type of activities, they will get, according to section 66C, they will get around 3 years free food, free bed. Where they are going to get free food, free bed? Any idea? Please do respond. Any idea where they are going to get free food, free bed? Where they are going to get free food, free bed? I'm expecting some interaction from you. Priya, hope you are there. No, my screen is
Yes, sir.
already. Yeah.
So as the screen is shared, but yeah, we have it on the StreamYard. Yes. So on the comment section, they are trying to put up the message.
Okay. How many participants joined?
60. Currently, we are having 62, sir.
Yeah, please share the YouTube link to my WhatsApp. I can
Yes, sir.
interact
Sure,
with them
sure.
lively.
Sure.
Yeah. In Sri Krishna Janmasthal, they will get free food, free bed if anyone does such type of impersonation things, creating a fake account with a known person or unknown person. Second one is cheating by impersonation. If they do any kind of cheating, for example, these days I'm noticing some sort of people are creating fake accounts with company name. That company is real, but these guys are nowhere related to that particular company. They're cheating with impersonation. That one will be dealt by section 66D. Okay. And the third one, what you have to know is section 67. That means if someone is sending some sort of absence content, emails or photos or some sort of nonsense things which we treated as absence, then section 67 will take care of that particular activity. That means if we no one is authorized to send such type of absence photos, absence emails, or any kind of nonsense things to us. Anyone sends such type of things, we can take action using this particular section 67 IT Act. Please keep remember the IT Act is different, IPC is different. And if someone is trying to exploit sexual exploit and sexually sending some sort of sexual explicit content, then 67A will take care of it. Okay, sending some uh, porn related content or sexually explicit content, then section 67 will take care of that part. So it's very very important. If someone is doing such type of things legally, also we can attack them legally, also we can take some aid. Three type of things we are going to discuss. One is legal part, the second one is psychological part, and the third one is technical part, how to handle all these things. Okay. Not only IT Act, from very long time, from almost 150 years onwards, we have this Indian laws. From the Britishers time onwards, we have some sections which are against to such type of bullying, but they are offline bullyings. It doesn't matter whether it's online or offline. If they do such type of bullying, we can use these sections to put them behind bars. Okay. The section what we have to remember, for example, if someone is sexually harassing or doing some inappropriate behavior, then we can use the thing called section. Please make a note of these sections. Later you can google with it and you can explore what this section purpose and what kind of protection we'll get under these sections. Please make a note of the section names. After that you can explore individually. Okay. And this particular 354 is against to online or offline inappropriate behavior. If someone is doing sexual harassment, then we can apply this. Same way 354D, this one is specially about cyber online stacking, or if someone is keep on poking you, if someone is doing something against to your will, you say I don't want to interact, but still that person is interacting and doing some nonsense, then 354D can be applied. This is for both genders, male and female. Okay. But we have to remember most of our laws are for women, not for men, but we have to keep this in our mind. Most of the laws are for women protection, very less laws for men. Okay. So next one is defamation. For example, if you own a company, if someone is keep on defaming, if someone is keep on defaming online, then cyber defamation cases can be filed, or defamation cases can be filed under section 499 and 500. Okay, these sections for cyber defamation. If someone is doing some posts against college with the name of this thing like online cyber bullying, like if they're doing like confession pages or some wrong thing related to college, if they have created it, cyber defamation cases can be filed against them. Up to 2 years they will get free food, free bed. Up to 2 years they will get free food, free bed. And another important section is section 509. This is specially designed for women. If anyone abusing women online or offline, harassing online or offline, sections, this is IPC, Indian Penal Code. Okay, IPC 509, designed for protecting women from abuses, harassments. Section 509. These sections are okay. There is a specialized act called POCSO Act. If the victim or uh, under 18 years, then they can use this particular specialized act called POCSO Act. Okay, if the victim is under 18 years, they can use this specialized act called victim, this particular act called POCSO Act. So strict laws are there. We have to take care of reporting to police. Okay, if it is reported properly, then law will take care of the things. And psychologically, we have to take few things. This is for law. Okay, psychologically, after that, technically we'll take care. Technically, first thing, psychologically, what you have to do, if someone is bullying you online, stay calm. You don't need to respond for everything. There are plenty of dogs are there in the market, in the world, plenty of dogs. They'll keep on abusing you because dogs nature is to bark. Okay, dogs nature is to bark. They will keep on barking. So you no need to respond on every dog which barks at you. There is a quotation: if you throw stones on every dog that barks at you, you may not reach your destination. Got it? There are plenty of dogs out there who will keep on barking at us. They'll post some negative comments. They don't know how to deal with their life. They don't know how to deal with their life. They're already in some sort of negative trauma. They're already in negative trauma. They are fools already. Okay, they don't know how to set their life, but they will keep on posting some negative comments. You can find some around 50% of the people are like that these days. They're already a kind of mini psycho. They don't know how to set their life, but they will keep on barking on the people who are doing some good activity. Okay, so first thing, stay calm. You don't need to respond on every dog that bark at you. So who are the dogs? Hope you are getting some sort of person's name who will keep on barking, right? That could be online or offline, no problem. Online barkings are also there. Offline barks also they'll do. Who are those people who will bark at you? Okay, you don't need to post in the chat, but still, you know the people who are barking at you, right? So first thing what you have to remember is don't respond. Be calm. Don't respond to every dog that barks at you. Keep that in your mind. Okay. Second point. Second point is take screenshots. If someone is doing some sort of nonsense things at you, take screenshots. Screenshots and take link. For example, if someone has created a photo and he's posting some nonsense, take link of that particular photo, because we have to collect the evidence before we give all that information to police. We have to collect the evidence. Okay, we have to collect the evidence. Take screenshots with time, date and time, and which account they have used to do such type of nonsense. So these days, I have seen some people, some kids are committing suicide because of these online abuses. N number of people. See, there are more number of idiots in the market. You know, some students will write nonsense on toilet paper, toilet room. You know, some toilets they will write some nonsense. These days, they are using those toilets, these Instagrams, YouTube as their toilet, and they're writing some nonsense on the toilets. Such type of people are there. We have to accept it. See, we cannot escape from such type of people. Even such type of people are there from Ramayana, Mahabharata. Such type of people are there in all yugas. Such type of idiots are there who will keep on believing, who will keep on posting some nonsense on the people who are doing something good, something good. Okay, so keep that in your mind. Idiots are there, psychos are there, mini psychos are there in the internet. So you no need to respond for everything, whatever they do. Take screenshots and links properly. It will be considered as evidence because we have to file a case. Today, I will share some important websites where you can file case online. You don't need to uh, even go to police station directly. Even online also you can, especially for women, especially for women, you can report it online. I'll share some important websites and mobile numbers where you can do it. Second thing is privacy. Protect your privacy. You no need to share everything online. For example, I'm going to this pizza house, I'm going to so and so movie, and you should not behave like idiot. You should not post something against to some hero or politician, or against to your friend, or against to some religion, or against to some caste. You should not post it. We are not authorized to do it. Okay, no one is authorized to post against to some religion or caste. When you see something nuisance, report it. Okay, reporting. Take care of your privacy. Don't post everything whatever you do online. I do 100 events, but I post hardly 4 to 5 events. Today I'll post our event also in my LinkedIn. You may be doing 100 events, you don't need to post everything. Okay, I like so and so thing, I don't like so and so thing. For example, if you don't like so and so hero, you don't need to post about negative comments against that particular hero or heroine. Got it? Also, don't share every photo of yours online. Don't share your phone numbers to unknown people. Okay? Privacy, you have to take care. After that, report. If it comes to technical aspect, reporting is very very important. When someone is doing some nonsense, for example, my thing is there, Instagram. For example, this is my page. Sai Satish is my name. For example, if someone is doing something against this post, there are no comments on this. Okay, no comments on this also. No comments. Yeah, we have one post here. For example, if some this guy is not doing any nonsense now. He's just mentioning Annaya, which means brother. Okay. For example, if he is commenting, just don't forget to report and block it. Report it. Why to take all the nonsense to your head? Why to take every nonsense to your head? There are plenty of people who don't have any other work. Their only work is to disturb us. Are you getting what I'm saying? Lakhs of people don't have any other work. They have a smartphone, they'll open it, they'll abuse, they will leave. Many psychos are there in the market. They don't know how to live. They don't know how to take care of themselves, but they will keep on abusing us. So if someone is doing, block it. Click here, report, block him. Okay, if someone is doing such type of nonsense, but you no need to respond to everything whatever you see. Plenty of fake guys are there, idiots are there in the market, in the world. Okay, maybe I have seen one particular college where students are abusing each other with fake profiles. You know, it is 100% crime. If any one of the students reported to police, most of them will go to jail. So we should not encourage such type of things. So blocking is thing. When you block it, why to take such type of negative thoughts to your mind, negative comments to your mind, just block them. Okay, no need to take everything to your head. Psychologically you have to keep them in a distance. And another one is share your problems with your parents. Share to your parents. Trust them. Mother, father are the only relations in this world which don't depend on need and mood. Need and mood. Remaining almost all the relations, remaining all relations depends upon need and mood, except parents' relation. So if someone is harassing you, or if someone is doing nonsense, don't forget to do this. Don't forget to share to your parents or very trusted guardian. Okay, very trusted guardian. So keep in your mind, maybe your classmates or your friend also of the same age, they're also having less knowledge related to these crimes, how to handle such type of situations. I know many people who are committing suicide because of this cyberbullying. Okay, kids are doing some nonsense, and few other kids are facing the problem. It's a mental torture. That particular trauma will last for many months to years together, many months and years together. So keep in your mind, share such type of thing to your parents, very very important, or to a trusted people. If you trust someone, learn, if they know how to face such type of situations, take their assistance. You don't respond to everything. Okay, like abusing them again. For example, someone is abusing, you no need to abuse them again because they did crime and you're doing crime again. Someone is abusing you, someone is bullying you, you don't bully them. Just take screenshots, report to police. That's it. File FIR. Filing FIR is very very important. And you don't respond to it, but if you respond it, they will take that as evidence, and they may file case against you. So retaliation is not required here. Okay, first talk to them, resolve that constructively. If they still create some sort of issues, just uh, talk to them, resolve it, try to resolve it. If still it is not there, then take police, report it police. Okay, and make sure to block stupids and idiots. In most of the social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook have private accounts. You can make things private. Okay, use those features. Most of the social media accounts will have such type of features like blocking unknown people from sending requests and commenting on you. So block it, block all the people whom you don't trust. Okay, these are the some points what you have to remember technically, psychologically, and IPC also. So we'll take a couple of questions. We have 20 more minutes time. We'll take few questions. And what kind of issues are you facing? Because you are not alone. First, keep that in your mind. You are not alone. Almost 70 percentage of women are facing such type of harassments online. 70 percentage of women. You are not alone. At least one point of time, more than 30% of guys are also face such type of issues. But when it comes to gender, less number of guys face the issue, but still 30% that is around. And women, many women face this issue. Okay, they'll they have faced fake accounts, they have faced n number of things. Okay, so open for questions. I'm coming to YouTube. You can post your comments in YouTube. Chat box is available. Yes. Now chat is enabled. You can post your question in the live chat is going on. You can post in the chat box. I'll take a couple of questions, few questions. We have 20 minutes time. Okay, few important things we have to remember. How we have to behave online. Before we share, before we do anything, we have to think. Think. What is this think? Think means before we share anything, we have to check whether it is true or not. True or not. There are plenty of fact checkers are there. Fact checking websites are available. Fact checking websites. Use them, check whether it is true or not. Okay. Next, helpful message. Share only if it is helpful message. Don't share all the nonsense messages, whatever you come across. Before we share anything in social media, we have to think. T for true or not. H for helpful message. Only you have to share helpful message. I. I for inspiring message. Inspiring message. Share only if it is inspiring message. N for necessary. Check whether it is really necessary or not. If it is necessary, then only you have to share. If you have to think whether it is really necessary to the people to share to the persons, Otherwise, you should not share it. Okay. Uh, Next one is K. K for kind message. For example, uh, if you try for kind message, I'll share what is a kind message. Example. For example, how to check true or not with the help of fact checkers. You have to check. Okay, fact checkers you have to use to check whether it is right or wrong. Next one is you have to helpful message. Okay, inspiring message. Let me tell you what is an inspiring message. In 1996 around time, Abdul Kalam went to one school. It's a handicap. Most of the handicapped children are there in the particular school. He noticed most of the students are having shields to their foot, their legs. He observed it's almost heavy weight. Most of the students, kids, are unable to lift that particular shield. Then Abdul Kalam went to his office with his team. He created one particular shield. Uh, that particular shield made with a metal which is very strong with lightweight, and he gifted that particular shield to these kids for polio kids. That is one of the innovations of Abdul Kalam. When he see a problem, he didn't left it. He resolved it. When you see a problem, you should not leave it. You have to resolve it. Such type of mindset should be there for you. So such type of inspiring messages you can share to them. Okay, you can share such type of inspiring messages. Kind message means, for example, uh, summertime will start. In summertime, most of the birds will not find proper food, will not find proper uh, water. How many of you are placing a pot over your terrace? How many of you are placing water for birds for terrace? Please do respond chat box. Chat is enabled. Live chat is enabled. Around 70 plus people are watching it. How many of you are placing water for birds, especially at summertime? How many are feeding dogs, some animals? How many of you are doing it? Okay, Pooja is doing. Only one. Kushal. Okay, Kaushal. Sorry. Only two. That's it. So these are kind messages. We have to take care of all the living beings, not only humans. This globe is not just for humans. It's for every creature. Every creature has the right. Every creature has the right to live here, right? So we have to take care of feeding birds, dogs, even pigs, whatever it is, whatever the creature it is. We have to take care of it. Okay. So such type of things are kind messages which will remind us the duty to do something. So these messages you can share to them, but don't share all the nonsense whatever you come across, because if you have noticed, in every group one legend will be there who will keep on believing all the nonsense. He will post saying that uh, something is some Hindus are creating something against Muslims, or Muslims are creating something against to Hindus. Such type of messages they will share to you. Okay, we should not share all the things such type of whatever you come across. Okay, keep that in your mind. So open for questions. You can post your questions. You can post your questions in chat box.
Good evening, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, department IT department నుంచి వచ్చాం. డిఎస్ సిద్ధార్థం డిఎస్పీ నుంచి.
Yeah, how can individuals protect themselves from victims of cyberbullying? See, there will be some trusted person. Kaushal, if parents don't have parents, no problem. Someone will be there, trusted partner, trusted person will be there. First, don't forget to take police help. You have to take police help. Police will be there. That's not a big deal. Okay, police will be there to assist us. So it doesn't matter whether you share with parents or not, but you can trust police. Police are friends. They are not against us. Yes, very good, Mohammed. Very good question. I forgot to share that particular website. First thing, what you have to do is just go to this particular website called cybercrime.gov.in. Cybercrime.gov.in. You can use this website to report anonymously. Also, you can report even with tracking details. Also, you can report cybercrime.gov.in. This is a website. Also, if any fraudulent transaction happened, then you can use a thing called 1930. 1930 is a mobile number where you can report financial frauds, cyber financial frauds. Yes. Next question. You can use the chat box to post your questions. Open for questions. Also, Twitter is there. Cyber Dost. Search with the word called Cyber Dost. Since most of you from Maharashtra, I'm sure Maharashtra police also will be having their own applications. Most of the state governments, especially Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, they do have uh, these applications to report. So I'm very sure Maharashtra government also will be having a local portal and local application to report. So you can use it. This is a national portal, especially for reporting here. For example, see here, women and children related crimes. Is there cyberbullying? Then toll-free number. A toll-free number is not there for cyberbullying, but Maitreyi, you can use this website to register the complaint. 1930. Also, you can always use 100. 100 will be there for you anytime. So no dedicated number for cyberbullying, but you can use 1930 for that. Or always use 100 if someone is teasing you online or offline. But better to I reported cybercrime.gov.in. Okay. Next question. You can use your YouTube chat to post your questions. So what is the number we have to use to report cyber fraud? 1930. Okay. Website name is cybercrime.gov.in. Open for questions. You can ask me questions in the chat box. Yeah, very good question from Maitreyi. Most effective strategies for schools and parents to prevent cyberbullying, especially for students who may not report it or okay may not report it. See, Maitreyi, may not report it is not the case. Let them report it. First thing, you no need to have you no need to share everything online. Okay, if someone is doing it mentally, we have to mention that uh, mentally they have to be strong and they have to face the issue and ask them not to respond to all the nonsense whatever someone has posted online. Second important point, block them. If someone is doing such type of nonsense, block them completely, report it. You no need to respond. I already told you there are plenty of barking dogs are there. Their work is to bark on the people who are doing some productive work. Majority of the people these days are behaving like barking dogs. If they can't face someone in real world, they'll create some fake accounts and they'll keep on barking us. So you no need to respond on every barking dog. You have to keep that in your mind. Children, limit your social presence online. Australia banned social media under 16 years. So for school kids, they don't need social media. So limit yourself from social media. For school students, it's not for you. Social media is a lot of nonsense these days. Plenty of nonsense. Scrap is there in the social media. You'll be trapped. Some important websites are there. You can use it. Khanacademy.com. Khan Academy. You can use this website for learning purpose. In YouTube, even YouTube also, okay, some sort of settings will be there to restrict the searches. In YouTube also, you go to YouTube, just go to settings here. Here, in settings also, you can restrict mode here will be there. Restrict mode. Restrict mode can be turned on. Okay, restricted mode can be turned on. So, especially for kids, they can stop some nonsense here. Okay, use it. Can you share real-time example? See, Mansi, I do deal with Telangana police. I have addressed more than 27,000 students on cyberbullying, how to report cyber frauds, and all these things. I have seen some thousands of people, thousands of students who are facing the issue, especially some private schools also, private school teachers, schools are also facing the issue, not only students. They're defaming even teachers also. So awareness is a key solution. If any student does such type of activity, I'm sure if teacher filed case on them, they'll be landed to jail. Minimum 3 years free food, free bed for such type of nonsense activities. And they have to be strong. Kids should be strong, and they have to remember they are not alone. Many of people are facing the problem. Many people are facing the problem. Keep that in your mind. Be strong. Report it. Talk to your trusted partner. If required, you can talk to any psychologist also. Okay. What are the more consequences of cyberbullying? See, they'll be landed in jail. Deja vu. They'll be landed in jail. I already shared some sections against cyberbullying. See, these are the cyberbullying, some sort of sections we have to remember. Section 49, 499, Section 500, Section 509. These are IT laws which support us, especially if they're kids less than 18 years. POCSO Act will take care of it. Okay. Any last question? We have 4 minutes. Any last question? Any last question? How can individuals protect themselves from cyber fraud involving OTP scams? Sriram, good question. First thing, keep this in your mind. Never share OTPs to anyone. Okay? Never share OTPs to anyone. I think we can take a specialized session on cyber crimes. Uh, Again, it may take a lot of time to discuss about cyber crimes. First thing what you have to remember is never share OTPs to anyone. OTP. Never share OTP to anyone. Don't share your passwords to anyone. Whatever you are seeing in internet, everything is not real. There are plenty of fake things out there. Plenty of fake things out there. Search with the thing a PDF. I do recommend Alibaba, RBI, Alibaba thieves. Sorry, RBI 40 thieves. Search with this word. Raju and 40 thieves. Search with this word. Most of the cyber crime related Raju and the 40 thieves. Most of the cyber crimes, what's going on related to digital arrest or related to uh, OLX frauds or fake e-commerce websites, most of the frauds already mentioned here. I recommend organizers to download this PDF. You can download this PDF. Okay, After downloading this PDF, please share to students. If you know what they are, you'll not fall in the traps. What is wishing? What is phishing? What are the betting scams? Okay, so these are the things. Karishma Jain is asking, so many sections and laws for women, but any section for men of sexual abuse. See, Karishma, actually, especially for men, it's not designed. Okay, most of our laws are designed for women, but recently we have upgraded to Bharat Siksha Smriti. Okay, in that few things are there for men also, not specially for men, for common. Specialized laws are there for women. Common laws are there for both. But we cannot expect specialized things for men. Maybe in future we may expect. I don't know whether we'll get or not in next 20 years or 30 years. Okay. We can file a complaint on cyber crime portal in fraud cases or financial fraud cases. Yes, Pradeep, you can file in cybercrime.gov. Most of the online frauds you can report here. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for joining the session. Over to you. Over to you, Ishwari.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ishwari Agaskar, a student of Information Technology, would like to extend my heartfelt thanks on behalf of Patkar-Varde College to all of you for being a part of today's webinar on cyberbullying. A special thanks to our esteemed speaker, Sai Satish Sir, for taking the time to share his valuable insights with us. Your expertise and dedication to tackling cybercrimes have made today's session truly informative and enlightening. A very big thanks to our Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Mala Kharkar Ma'am, Principal Dr. Pratibha Gaikwad Ma'am, Chief Coordinator of Technology Mrs. Namrata Kawale Shinde, and all management members for supporting us and giving us the opportunity to conduct the event. I would also like to thank our BSc CS coordinator, Mrs. Karishma Jain, BSc IT coordinator, Mr. Chain Bhattacharji sir, and Mrs. Pooja Amin ma'am. Finally, thank you to everyone present here today for your active participation and attention. Hope you leave today's session with a deeper understanding of the importance of all the IT Act and its session and know to be calm and handle the situation and stay private. And most importantly, don't believe on strangers and share everything with your parents. As we navigate an increasingly digital world, the responsibility to secure our online spaces falls upon each one of us. Together, by staying informed, proactive, and united, we can build a safer cyber environment. Thank you once again and have a great day ahead.
Kindly wait to fill the feedback.
Kindly wait to fill the feedback form. The feedback link will be posted in the chat section.